Agave, agave, agave. I love these plants. These are one of my all-time favourites in a tropical garden. And welcome back, it's Rog here, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my agave plants. They're all in pots, as you would expect in this country. And this one I've had for about 10 years now. And as you can expect, it's got so big, it's in this massive great pot. I can't take it into my greenhouse or shed or conservatory anymore. It's far too large. So what I do is in the winter time, in between these leaves here, I tuck a little bit of fleece in between these, as much as I can, and a bit around the base. Then most importantly, I cover the top over with some perspex. Not so much to keep cold out, but more to keep the rain out, because we get a lot of rain in this country. And what these don't like, they don't like water and cold together. So our wet and cold winters, they don't like it at all. So that's what I do. I never ever water it, and it's got all these little pups coming round here. Which, when they get bigger, I can gently prise them out and pot them on, and they're extra plants, and they're for free. And let me show you some of the other agave plants that I've got in my garden. This one here is a spineless agave, quite soft on the ends. You can touch these and they don't spike you, they're not at all spiteful. I like these, and that's grown quite well. This is the biggest one of the two. Down there is an Agave Montana, which are totally hardy here in the UK. They don't mind the cold and they don't mind the wet, strangely enough. Now, quite some time ago, I'd say about 6 or 8 years ago, I bought some seeds off the internet. I bought 5 seeds of Agave Montana. Everyone grew, but strangely enough, some grew a lot bigger and a lot faster than the others. This is my second biggest one. This is my largest Agave Montana, and really it needs a bigger pot, so that's going to be another job. Now, strangely enough, the seeds for this one were in the same packet as the seeds for this one. They look totally different, that one and that one. And if I'll show you this other one over here, which was in the same packet, and look, it's tiny, hasn't grown much at all. I still like it though. That's one of my favourites. Bit spiteful, and that gives off little pups as well. You can see one round the corner there. That's my other spineless agave, just there. And this one here is called an Americano. Well, I do believe it's called an Americano. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Always love to be helped along the way. Put anything down in the comments below, and I don't mind at all. But that's a beauty. And here's one that I've kept in my greenhouse. It seems to have suffered a bit of slug or snail damage. And these ones that I've got here, I found in a local supermarket, and they were just the 3 in a pot, and they were labelled indoor plants. But I knew what they were. They had a little secret identity. I knew what they were going to be. So I snapped them up. They were $1.99, that included the pot. And I've split them up and grown them on. And after about a year, this is what I've got. Another 3 beautiful plants. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helps you along the way if you grow agaves. I think they're a wonderful plant, don't you? Anyway, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give me a like, give me a share if you've got time, that'd be great. And I'll see you all again in my garden next time. Bye for now.